Saundarya.
Nana. Finally.
Like how that name?
The name.
I love the name.
I know. It's a very common name in South India. More.
Yes.
You don't really get to hear that.
I've never
more
met a
in-
Saundarya before.
You know what? Actually, I was the only person with that name in my whole school as well. So I have kind of grown up with that excuse.
You're still young. When
Yeah.
I was in school, I was the only one named Nena.
But you know what? My mom actually wanted to, like, the three options that she had with the name was Saundarya, Naina, and Isha. I am not kidding, and I'm not making it up. But it
Wow.
was either, it has to be either of one. So
तुम्हारा तो फिर भी ठीक है. My cousins when I was
Yeah.
born, they were like, auntie, you keep her name as Nancy.
Nan-
So my mom was like, why Nancy? They were
Nancy,
like,
yeah.
हमारे favorite dog का नाम Nancy है. And I was like, thank God they didn't do
not
that.
Nancy. Yeah, no,
Jesus
Nana is
Christ.
pretty. Saundar is. I'm glad about the name. Like even now, and even being in Australia, I haven't come up with a sort of name of it though. So
Why do you want to do that?
Yeah, I do not want to do that. I do not feel like doing it. So half of the people can't speak it. Half of the Indians can't speak it, right? You know.
For me, it's what I really like is that you really have to slow down to say your name.
Yes.
Like Saundarya, you know,
Yeah.
otherwise it's like Nena. I'm like, oh, Nena. And यहाँ पे, after coming here, I had
Yeah.
a lot of people because they couldn't pronounce my name. They were calling me Nana, which is what they used to their grandmoms.
Naina.
They say
Really?
Nena, which is,
Okay.
you know, they call their grandmas Nana.
Yeah.
So I was like, it's Nena.
Yeah.
And they were like, oh, Nena. I was
Isn't
like,
it the same
"No."
thing?
So then one of my friends, she suggested, she
Yeah.
said there's a town in Australia called Nair, Nair.
Okay.
It's also a hair removal cream.
Oh, okay.
So they were like, how do you pronounce that? They were
Yeah.
like, Nair. I was like, yeah, so Nena.
Na- okay.
Not Nair, Nena. So they're like, Nena. I'm like, haan, chalega. Okay.
Okay, yeah, it's so close. Yeah, I think I've come to a point where whatever they say that sounds like similar, I'm like, yeah, it's okay.
I mean, like, Sandy maybe, but come on, man.
Yeah, it's so
Saundarya ki
boring.
comparison with
Yeah,
Sandy is like,
Sandy is
whatever.
just so-
No, that.
Nah, you.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Acha. And why are you doing what you do? You have a platform called Sattva and Sage.
Yes, that's right.
I want to know about the name, why that name.
Yeah.
But also, why do you want to do this?
So I've been in Australia for like 4 years.
Okay.
And I, of course, came here to study. But I come from Jaipur. So I have
girl.
grown up around a lot of, character to everything. you
Yeah,
know?
all the
So,
colours.
all the
and Jaipur is-
colors, the forts, the palaces, the block printing. It's like everything that you get there will have a beautiful print to it and a character to it. So I think I've grown up around that, and then I came to Australia, and of course here everything is a little bit more minimalistic.
You're being very polite because when I got here, I was like, why is everything fucking grey? Everyone's wearing like jeans or like
Yeah.
grey or white or
like a
"Ye
black
kya?
t-shirt.
Where is all the
that-
colour?"
Exactly.
Honestly,
exactly.
when I was coming here, for some reason, I thought we'll get like good clothes in Australia.
Yeah.
I gave away most of my wardrobe and I regret that.
Yes, you shouldn't have.
Anyway.
I think I still.
But now you can help me build my wardrobe, so that's fine.
I will be so glad to do that and happy to do that.
Nice.
But yeah, so then I really missed that here, and I will not be lying to say that even today, whenever I go back to Jaipur, I get all my bedding from Jaipur. I'm really sorry. Like, I am obsessed with it. I've grown up around that.
Excuse me, next time when you're going, you're getting bedding from me also.
Definitely, sure.
That's such an Indian
But
thing, right?
yes.
You're going back to India, can you get me stuff?
I
Yes.
will. We are Indians through and through.
I
That's
know.
not changing.
Wow.
So that was just like a missing on things, and I didn't want to wait for things to like go back and get things, and I just missed. Like, I was just like, what if this could be available here? And like, people need to see this. That's also the thing. So I graduated, and then I'm a full-time working professional as well.
Oh
with
my
this.
God.
So then I graduated, I got into a job, but then there was this thought of like doing something like this. I think I'm just personally very proud of everything that India has to offer, to be very honest.
True.
And I just wanted to, like, it was always a thought in the back of my mind. But then this is what Satwan says that I'm building. It's with a friend. I couldn't have done it alone. So
Sure.
my co-founder, Runjan, it's
Runjun is back in India. though.
Runjun is back in India. She is
Okay.
in Jaipur.
Oh, she is in Jaipur.
She is in Jaipur.
Oh.
So she is basically our boot on the ground.
Sweet. Okay.
Yeah. So both of us came with the idea. Both of us, we are college friends. So
Acha.
everybody keeps talking about building a business with college friends.
Yes.
We did it. So that's pretty
Amazing.
dreamy. That's pretty cool.
How long have you had? Like, have you started selling the products? You have-
We had just made the website live a month ago.
Okay.
Yeah, and we
Okay.
have just recently started like after some testing and stuff, of course, we have just recently started advertising
Acha,
the
okay.
website more
Did
actively.
were you selling to friends before you actually launched the website? Like, did you have that? And like, oh, by the way, we have this brand and they have these clothes. Are you interested?
Yeah, I mean, we have
Yeah?
been talking about it for a long time.
Sure.
I think we made our Instagram live back in August or September.
Yeah, that's I think around the time I started following you guys.
So we
yeah.
started talking about it very early on.
Nice.
That we are building something. This is what is coming up.
Cool.
Putting the product pictures front and front, putting the story behind it, thought behind front and front. Just sharing it with people. So the thought, we started talking about the thought very early on before we planned to
Converted it into a product.
Yeah.
that way. Acha.
So I think both Runjun and I just graduated. She was like kind of transitioning from her job, and we both were kind of had some free time on our hands, and that's when I'm sure that you remember as well. I think that's when the Coachella 2024
Yeah.
conversation started happening around it on the internet. That this fashion aesthetics is Indian inspired. The dupatta is the
Oh,
Scandinavian
God.
stuff.
Yeah,
All
of
of that
course.
conversation was just going on the
Yeah.
internet, and of course we were just yapping about it
Of
as
course.
well.
Of course. All of us do that. Yeah.
But then our lens of looking at it was not just anger or frustration, was more like, if we as Indians, we are not taking the center stage. We are not talking about it. And then someone else saw the commercial potential in
Yeah.
our art and craft and decided to make money out of it. Is it really fair to just sit and complain?
No, it's like an
Yeah.
opportunity.
It's an
Just
opportunity.
because one person is doing it doesn't
Yeah.
mean that no one else can do
Exactly.
it. You just- yeah.
Exactly. And
Especially
then-
if it's something that inspires you.
Yeah, and then just complaining about it is just not gonna happen. Like it's
Yeah.
not gonna take anything to anywhere.
Yeah, exactly.
So I think that's it. Definitely started from that yapping, but then we just realized that what's the point of just yapping, and what's the point
do
of
something.
let's do something, and what's the point of just someone else handling the mic and then complaining that, oh, we didn't want our story to be told like that, So we were like, no, let's just like try to contribute something to it, and we are still very young, so
But I have seen a lot of interest from Australians in
Yes.
Indian
Yes.
stuff because they're always like, oh my god, where did you get that?
yeah.
Because you don't get color in Australia.
Exactly.
The moment
And
you
it's-
wear color, people are like,
Yeah.
oh, what is that?
And every piece is so story driven that
Yeah.
that's when we were doing a bit of research as well. Like that's the response and behavior we observe from Australians, that they're very like interested
Yes.
about conscious luxury. They're very interested in the craft and the story behind it, the origin, where it's coming from, the
Yeah.
sustainability. So we were like, okay, like we have all of that to offer.
Yes, exactly.
So why not? Why not
And
just
especially
attempt?
Jaipur.
Yeah, I am
I
obsessed.
can't get over it. Yeah.
I am obsessed with Jaipur. I'm really sorry, but I'm very biased.
And
And
I
still-
totally understand your bias, by the way.
I mean,
Yeah.
I still say it. Anybody that I'm talking to, I'm like, Jaipur, like, please come with empty bags because you're definitely gonna shop a lot and you're not gonna be tired of it.
Yeah.
There's no end to how much you can shop.
That is
So,
true.
yeah.
Actually, literally
Yeah.
true. Yeah.
So everything.
No, my bedding also back in when
Yeah.
I was living in Gurgaon,
Yeah.
it was all like Jaipuri stuff, man.
I know.
All hand block printed and all.
Yes.
And then I was like, oh, you're not going to Australia? I'm sure there's like interesting stuff
Nah.
there. And I just, my sister is
Yeah.
using it and she posts videos and I'm like, that's my bed sheet, you know?
My bed sheets are still all printed. All Jaipuri stuff, all block printed.
I mean,
I
technically, I
can't-
came here with one backpack and one
Yeah.
suitcase. So I was like, jitna saman fit hota hai, le chalo, but the rest can wait. It's fine.
Yes, but no,
yeah.
it is just beautiful. And I think even the manufacturers there, because Jaipur has always been a hub of foreign interest, like
Yes.
like
Yes.
in terms of tourism and shopping.
I mean, there are foreigners who open hotels in Jaipur.
Yes, hotels. Anoki was there, the OG brand, and it has had prints like the Diana and everyone like visiting MLK.
of course.
And so it was always a very adapted taste, like to a wider audience,
Of
you know,
course,
block
yeah.
printing. So
But that's the thing. I don't think it's even adapted to them. I think people just look at it and,
and
they're like,
love
yes.
it, yeah,
Yeah.
because it is so beautiful.
It
And
is, yeah.
I think the manufacturers, because now when we started producing our own products and we got in touch with the producers and the manufacturers now, they have also been exploring so many different kind of products and designs that just fits right in today's lifestyle.
Amazing. So that
and the
means they're doing
taste,
their
yeah.
research,
So
yeah.
they are also like on trend. They are on, you know,
Brilliant.
yeah,
Yeah,
So
that's
they're
how you
not-
do it, yeah.
Yeah, so that has also evolved so much. They have everything that might fit in a modern home as much as a traditional home. you know.
Amazing. Are you planning to sell like, tableware
Yeah.
and bed
Yes.
sheets?
Yes.
You are?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But for now, so what's at what stage basically is it's a marketplace.
Okay.
So we do not just have our own products, but the concept is to build it in like a marketplace.
yeah,
because-
like this shirt.
yeah.
What brand is this? Sorry,
This
I
is
forgot.
Kissagoe, and the embroidery that's on it.
I've seen it on your
Yes.
page. Yeah.
So it's all Kala cotton, which is a very, very pure form of cotton, all hand spun.
Okay. Is this not linen? It feels like linen.
No, it's called Kala cotton.
Ah.
And then the embroidery on it is Kanta,
Okay.
which comes from Bengal.
Yes.
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 So
Beautiful.
Yes, but as you can see, the designs again are
Oh.
very much adapted to
See
something.
this. It's so cute.
So
I love
cute,
that,
yeah. The daisies. So beautiful brand. We found them. We were doing our research, and when we looked at them, we were like, "Oh, we definitely would love to
Amazing.
have them on board."
Okay.
The founders are beautiful.
Sure.
Very, very, very sorted. Very clear on what they're doing. Beautiful aesthetics. So
Cool.
it's really a privilege to have them on board, and it's.
So
I love their stuff.
I mean, I'm sure people will watch the video and then
Yeah.
be like, oh, we want to sell our stuff to
Yeah.
Australians, for example. Do you vet these vendors or is it like whoever is coming and signing on, you're like, Aajao?
No, we do have some specific like checklist on which a
Great.
brand should, be on
Yeah,
it.
values are aligned and the
Yeah.
same kind of
Yeah.
stuff that Satwa and Sage is doing. You want similar
yes,
stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's a little bit important.
Okay.
In terms of that, any piece has to feature some Indian textile or craft. Like that's important. The material is ethically made
Sure.
and it's pure quality. It's not mix of synthetic or polyester.
Yeah.
It's not digitally made.
Sure.
Like things like that is important. The basic operations are ethical. The
I guess
credit-
it helps that Runjun is there. so you
Yes,
can
it does.
actually, yeah.
And she can do the research.
Yes.
She can actually do all of that stuff. So those are the few things that we definitely look at when we are reaching out to a brand to kind of
Cool.
get them on list.
I mean, I know you guys are really new, but
Yeah.
can you please add more color?
yes,
More color, please. Because even the
We
dress
do.
you're wearing,
Yes,
it's
very
so
colorful.
simple.
Yeah.
But just the color and the way it is, it's
Yeah, I think I'm
fabulous.
really standing out in front of them.
Yeah, in
green and
Australia
red,
you
yeah.
would, yeah. But yeah, I want colorful stuff,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Like I've asked my sister to send me, like I left a couple of suitcases worth of clothes back there. So she's packed like cardboard boxes and send them to me. But those are the only clothes I have that has a little bit of color.
Yeah.
Everything else is like black and blue and white.
I'm sorry, that's black as well, but I think it's really pretty.
No,
It's-
no, but see, the fabric, the
Yeah.
buttons.
Yeah,
You know,
it
it's the
feels
details
so-
are so different. You're not going to find
Yeah.
this, not in Adelaide at least.
Yeah.
I mean, I know there are some brands in Melbourne and in Sydney who are doing this similar kind of stuff. But
I think when you just wear something like that, it immediately feels luxurious. Like it
yeah.
does feel
No,
like
I love it. I know it's like, that whole oversized thing, the way it's, I really like
I
it.
think
And
it looks very cool on
and
you.
it's a men's
yeah,
shirt, isn't
yeah.
it? Yeah.
Yes. It's actually Kissagoe's shirts are all unisex.
unisex.
Yeah.
Acha,
So it's
best.
suited for.
I mean, it doesn't matter to me anyway.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh, I like that. I don't even look at what is it
even
for men or women.
there is this. We have so like how I was selling that we have a lot of brands on board. So essentially, it is a marketplace thing.
Cool.
But then we have in-house collection as well, which is Jaipur Archives, of course. Given that me and Runan both are from
Yeah.
Jaipur, so we the shoot that I did, the picture of me that's on the website.
Yeah.
It's actually in one of the shirts from men's collection as well.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Especially with Indian clothes, I feel, you know,
Yeah.
the prints and the way they are designed and all, I feel like anyone can really wear that.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
I mean, these days, all those trends online with men wearing saris and stuff.
yeah. And jewelry, I love the fact that men are getting back to jewelry. You know, like just
It's
getting,
incredible.
Yes,
Especially
it's
all
so
those
beautiful.
South Indian men with like dark skin and gold
I know,
gleaming on them.
I know,
Oh
I
my
know.
God. I'm like, yes, India represents.
Yes, like earrings and the neck chains. Oh my God, so
it's
pretty.
pretty
Yeah,
cool.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So there's just so much detail and everything.
There is.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why I feel like a lot of people can also find India overwhelming
That's very true.
because there's
Yeah,
so
there's so
much
much.
happening.
Yes, every state, in fact, not even state, maybe every city within a state, you will find a different dialect of talking, different craft that's
Yeah.
the famous from there, different food that's their specialty.
That's why
you
when
know?
people ask
Yeah.
me like, oh, so like how are you liking, you know, Australia compared to India? And I'm like, you know, it's both are different.
Yeah.
There are some things that I feel Australia does better, and then there are things that I feel India
Very
does
true.
better.
Yeah.
But then people are like, oh, I love India. And I'm like, which part of India? Like, what are you talking about? Because
Yeah.
it's so
It's
different.
so different. Yes.
Yeah, everywhere. Like you said, food.
Yeah.
Even here, the restaurants that me and Jamie, we go to, it's always like, I'm like, that tastes a bit different. And it's like, oh, maybe because it's, you know, the owners are Gujarati.
Gujarati.
So the flavors are slightly different.
Yeah.
And I love that.
Yeah. And that's everywhere. Like even I think within Rajasthan, like because I'm from Rajasthan, even if you go just to different cities.
Oh, yeah. Like I worked in
Yeah.
Jaisalmer. I worked at
Okay.
Suryagarh. So I
Yeah.
was there for a year and a half.
Wow.
And I'd been visiting Jaisalmer a lot
Yeah.
before that also.
Yeah.
So Jaisalmer is totally different.
Yes.
And you know, the things that people wear in Jaisalmer, the
How
kind
they
of,
talk.
yeah, the
Yeah.
local food that the hotel
Yeah.
was sourcing from and the food, everything is
It's
so
different.
different.
Yeah.
It's a totally different experience. And then, of course, Jaipur is, you know, I feel like Jaipur is a different planet in its own right.
I love it. And I think this time when I just went back home visiting my family. And this time when I went back, we had a friend from here who visited with us.
Nice.
So because of him, we actually got to do all the touristy stuff once again. That we visited all the palaces again, we visited all the forts again, and then it just made me fall in love with the city again. It's just so beautiful everywhere. But was also very interesting to just look at how amazed he was with a lot of things. But no, that's very true. I think this has become more about talking about
Jaipur. But you know, if that's your focus, and
yeah,
that's
the
where you're
Jaipur
from,
tourism, Rajasthan tourism should get us.
No, I was just thinking when you were saying that, you know, a friend came over with
Yeah.
you and you reappreciated
Oh.
Jaipur's beauty. I think the same thing has happened with me and Jamie as well.
Yeah.
Because Jamie loves India. He's
Yeah.
never been to India, but he absolutely loves India.
I can
And
see
then
that from his content. It's so
it's,
amazing.
It's just when he talks about it,
Yeah.
it's just me internally, I'm looking at him and I'm like, my God, like, yeah, India is nice because when I moved here, I was very jaded with India.
Yeah.
You know, it's like a lot of pollution and it's
True,
dirty and oh my God,
true.
so many people, etc.,
Yeah.
etc. And just the way he looks at it, I'm like, huh. So I find that as well, that
Yeah.
reappreciation. And for him, he is reappreciating Australia because of me.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, you guys had no idea you're living in fucking paradise.
Yes.
And he's like, huh. I'm like, yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
there is literally. Yeah, I think in India it's just like you have to really fight for everything.
No, I think it's like even Jamie says that it's like it's based on your perspective. You
Yeah.
know, your perspective shapes your reality. So
Yeah.
if you feel like you have to fight in India, then the life will be like, yes, fight, here you go.
Yeah, fair.
Whereas if you're like, this is, you know, whatever. And
Yeah.
life is like, oh, sure, here you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's a sun coming on you. Do you want to move? I can move the camera.
I'm okay if the
Yeah.
flight is okay.
No, I'm sure it
Yeah.
is fabulous. You know?
Yes.
Especially with the red dress
With
and all,
the
you
red.
can't go wrong with that. But why, like, do you have any background in garments or prints or...
So my dad years ago, he attempted to do a business in export and import. And what his products were like, I'm not sure what is it called in English, but do you know luck?
Yeah. The bangles and
The
stuff,
bangles,
right?
yeah. So he was dealing in those, but not bangles. He would have like Christmas balls and stuff made out of mirror and luck. it used to be beautiful, and like the jewelry boxes made out of it, really beautiful. Honestly, if I can bring that again somehow, it's just beautiful
Oh my God,
products.
but that is so unique.
Yes. So he was dealing in that, and he
Yeah, do it,
attended.
do it.
I hope. I think that's my dad's retirement plan as well. He says that
Ah.
I hope you settle it, like you establish this, so that once I'm retired, I will be back on it.
Do it, yeah.
So I've seen him doing that. And then my mum has a background in textile designing.
Acha.
So
Okay, so
I
you
would
have
always-
those roots there.
yes, like my mom will anytime she would have a very good understanding of the material. Anytime that we are looking at something, she would be like, "Oh, this art, this is this is Banarasi
interesting,
silk, this
yeah.
is Kanjivaram, this is this."
Oh, excuse me,
Bless
I'm
you.
so sorry. Oh. Yeah. So you do have that background.
Yeah, so I've always heard her talking like, her wardrobe will open and then all the saris, and she would, this is from this state, this is from this city. Just heirlooms, and so I've been always surrounded with those conversations. And then Runjan, my co-founder, her mum runs a very successful boutique business in
Amazing.
Jaipur as well.
Acha.
So we both had somewhere been related
Yeah, because
to.
for me, I was curious because you could have picked anything else. Why this specifically? So I was just trying to figure out if there was some of that in your background.
Yes,
So there
yes.
is. Okay.
There is
Yeah.
directly, indirectly, there
course,
is
yeah.
something that we have just grown up observing and thinking about it,
Yeah.
wearing more of everything. So we did have that solid. Even when we were choosing the fabrics, even when we were thinking of what crafts we then definitely want to get
Sure.
on board. Our mums were there. My dad. So this is actually one of our products. This is like a diary.
Oh, I love the color.
And
this is fabric, yeah.
yes, this is fabric. This is all handmade
Handmade
paper
paper.
inside. And then on the top of it, of course, it's all again block printed, like
Wow.
cotton on it. So this is because my dad have tried doing all these things. He had a very old friend who has this amazing workshop in
Acha.
Jaipur, and then he told us that, oh, these are the products that works really well. These are the things that
course.
this is what you can find here. This is what you can find. This is best in blah blah blah.
Great. So
city.
you had a good advisor.
So yeah, and he took us to the workshop first time. Ranjan was there with him, and he let us explore the workshop and see and decide on what can work, pick up prints and everything.
Nice.
So we definitely had that, good support and knowledge
Great. No, that's
behind
always
us.
nice
Yeah.
to have, yeah. And India, where I feel a lot of people are very helpful also. If you go and say,
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
hey,
yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
think, can you help me
Things
out?
are not that transactional.
Oh, not at
Yes.
all.
So people will.
I'm sorry, I have to talk about what you got for me.
Yes.
Because, excuse me. And Jamie is going to see the video. Where did I keep it? And he's going to be like, wait, don't finish it.
I was just really looking at all your videos where you were talking about Malai and
So much Malai.
so much Malai. So I was like,
She got me this. This is something that you eat, and she's going to tell me more about it. What is it exactly?
it is Malai Gajak.
Malai Gajak. Okay,
Yes.
I have never had this before in my life. Not as far as I remember, unless I was a kid and I had it.
So Gajak is very common dessert that you have with your meal in Jaipur, in Rajasthan. But the traditional ones are more dry. But this is from a shop, and this is their specialty, which is Malai Gajak. So it's more creamy and good. I don't want to finish yours. I literally have a box at home.
Okay, fine, I will not
Yeah.
make you.
Keep
my
it aside. Big good
God.
job.
So it's essentially sesame, isn't it?
It's
toasted?
sesame, roasted
I'm like, I'm
sesame,
drooling, I can't even
flour,
talk.
jaggery.
Yeah.
So
Maybe we should bring some of this also and sell it.
sell it.
No kidding, man.
I'll just have to figure out how it runs on the shelf, how long it can sustain. But this has,
You won't have time to figure out how long it will last. It will sell out.
maybe I should keep some free goodies at the counter when we do the markets and stuff. And
People
just,
will come to eat the
Yeah,
pudding only,
yeah.
bro. Like, oh my god.
this has been a crowd favorite though.
I think I'll see why.
Yeah, I first bought it at work for my colleagues and stuff, and everybody loved it. Like, so this has been my constant thing that I bring from Jaipur.
I can't believe the food on the podcast also now.
There has to be food everywhere where we are in the.
I swear, yeah. I am so grateful for this. Thank you.
No, I'm so glad you liked
It
it.
reminds me of home.
Yes, and it's so.
And when you gave it to me, I cried, but now
Yeah.
I'm like, I've eaten it. Now I'm not
And
going
I
to
think
cry again.
my compliment to anything sweet basically is that it's not that sweet, you know.
Yeah, of
So
course,
it's
yeah.
like it's very
I don't like the
nutty.
excessively sweet stuff.
Yeah, yeah, it's very nutty. It's very
It's amazing.
The
No,
flavor.
but honestly, you should. Why not put it on the. Say that, you get like 20 boxes every month. I'll be like, book 10 for me only first. You won't have time to
If
wait.
I already have the pre-sales, like then I can.
Why not? Yeah. Do the sampling and
Yeah.
if, someone is like, okay, this is amazing. I want
Yeah.
one of this. Why not?
Sure.
People will be like, fine, I want
Yeah.
5 boxes, or and especially around Diwali time.
Yeah, I think then there will be another line of things that is just not enough, because if you start talking about the food as well,
Don't. Just this.
just this, okay.
Just this. This is like a Satwa and Sage specialty.
I think the brand is gonna sue us. Then.
No, Satwa and Sage in partnership with
Yeah,
Margot.
yeah.
This is the specialty and this is what you give, and just that.
Hopefully, then one day we do interesting events, and then we have this as our specialty.
so
It's
good.
I know, and
The whole
that's why I was
flavor.
just leaving house and I saw the box and I just quickly grabbed some pieces and I was like, I'm gonna get it.
I'm
for
sure
you.
the universe sent you that signal saying, Saundarya, Nalini, sweet something. Take
Malai. How has been your journey with Malai?
I love malai, bro.
Yeah.
Like even while growing up, my mom used to, do the
Yeah.
whole boil the milk, chill
Yeah.
the milk, and next day morning I'd be like, nobody's awake, and
Yeah,
I would
there
go
would be like a thick
thick layer, and I
of
would take
it.
it. I would pinch it like half in the middle,
Yeah.
and I was like, if I eat all of it, I'm going to get smacked. So I would eat half of it straight in my
Yeah.
mouth. After coming here, I don't know, for some reason, I didn't really understand how the milk works here.
Yeah.
There is a lot of variety here.
Yes.
But I was like, I just went to Coles.
Yeah.
Because I was like, oh, there's so many milks in Coles, so this must be it.
Yeah.
But there are so many brands that Coles doesn't stock.
Yeah.
And then, of course, I made that video because I was literally just whinging. I woke up one morning and I was like, where is the malai? I looked like a crazy person in that video. And
Yeah.
so many people left comments saying, try this brand, try that brand. It
Didn't
needs to be
work.
unabashed.
Yeah.
Fuck yes! Dude, it is so good. So I
Yeah.
found this. Currently, it's in the top running. It's
Yeah.
Flurry Milk Company.
Yes.
Their Jersey Premium Unhomogenized thick layer of cream. And I was just like, yes,
I'm
I
so
found
happy
one.
for your journey to
Yes,
find.
yaar. Yeah, full journey. I've even I've had dairies. I reached out to dairies in Victoria, someone in New South Wales. I was like, will you send me some of your milk? I want to try because I'm looking for malai.
Malai.
Oh my god.
But these are really just the small things that you kind of miss, and then you find ways to like.
like Jamie makes besan laddu, right?
Wow.
He makes pakoras in besan
What?
laddu.
So is he sure he has the right passport? Like
I know, right? So he gets comments on regularly saying, give him
Okay.
an Aadhaar card already.
Yes, of course. Basin laddu, seriously?
Haan,
That's
haan.
crazy. That.
No, when we meet and all, when he's in the mood to make it,
Yeah.
then I'll get you some also. He makes, the last time we made besan laddu, I was like, should this taste like my mom's besan laddu? My
Wow.
mom's going to smack me if I say that.
Wow.
They were so good. But for
Wow.
that, I was like, in India, we don't use fine besan. We need coarse besan.
basin. Yeah.
So he was like, oh, what's that? So then I was like, for that, you need to go to an Indian shop. So now he goes only to Indian shops.
He deserves
An Aadhaar card.
Yes,
हाँ, I
he
know,
deserves. If he
proper.
did actually make it.
We're doing content for Indian
Yeah.
shops now because it's like हम वहीं तो जाते हैं, so might as well at least talk about
Yes, I
what
mean,
products are
yeah,
available.
yeah.
Someone that day sent me a DM saying, oh, I found the Mota granular sugar for you. I was like, where did you find it? Because I can't find it.
Yeah.
And I wanted to eat malai chini,
Yeah,
bread
yeah.
malai chini. So she's like, oh, it's at that Indian shop at Enfield. I'm like, thank you. People are telling me where to find it, yeah.
They're part of your journey now.
Pretty
in
cool.
journey to find the best malai and
It's honestly, it's been very, very interesting.
Yeah.
A lot of fun. What are your content plans with Satwa and Sage?
So we just like, if I talk about how we want people to feel about it when they look at the communications and the messages that we're sending through, just want everybody to feel like discovering a surprise box, like discovering anybody who is interested in stories and culture and colors, just open our page, open our communications and feel like it's a surprise box full of warmth and character.
That's
to
so
it,
cute.
So, yeah, and just to build a community around it full of people who feel the same about the age old like heritage and crafts and just really value it. So that's what I think, have the vision to make people feel when they come across us,
Sure.
when they discover us. Um, yeah, this, and then I remember that you asked what the name stands for.
Yes,
initially.
that's what I said. Yes,
Yeah.
please.
So when we were just thinking of the concept, like of what we want to do, first of all, it started from a very different idea, and we just thought that maybe we don't want to go this all in, and maybe we should just do a model of like maybe drop shipping and just not do
Sure.
so much. But then as we started researching, as we started coming through more and more homegrown brands, and India is doing amazing with homegrown brands. It feels so good to finally see the founders coming up with the brands that tells our story through our craft
Yeah.
and not trying to westernize anything at all. So when we started like, researching and everything, and that happened, and then we were like, okay, we are doing this. Like, we really want to build a platform, to give a platform to these brands, to like, because more people really deserve to see this, know about this.
Yeah.
So our idea was simple, to just have the kind of products and the kind of brands on board that, again, like I said, that have the craft and
Yeah, it
focus.
aligns with your values.
Yeah, it's ethically produced, it's sustainable in practices. So Satwa basically translate to the pure lifestyle.
Okay.
It's from
like Satvik.
like Sattvic.
Acha.
So it just translates to the purity and the calm, slow living.
Acha.
And
okay.
Sage is inspired by how we used to have the sages back in days with the wisdom and knowledge.
Acha.
And because we have so many different crafts, and we'll be talking about the stories and origins of all the crafts.
Okay.
That's where the sage came from. So hence,
Because I
Satwa and
really
Sage.
appreciate the name.
Yeah.
It's different.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's very different.
Yeah.
And once you kind of get the hang of it, then it's impossible to forget. Satya
Thank
and
you.
Sage.
I hope. I was really scared when we decided on the name. I was really scared of like if people will be able to remember it and pronounce it correctly. So now that you're saying that, I'm gonna just believe you.
Yeah, no, and it's also like, they say that how many times does someone see your
Yeah.
page or interact with your
Yes.
brand?
Yes.
If you do it 2-3 times, you can't forget, because I feel like it's a very unique name.
Thank you.
I have
Yeah.
not come across any other names like
Yes.
that. I'm not
Yes.
saying there might not be, there might be, but
Yeah.
I just haven't.
Yeah.
So that's easy to be like Satwa and Sage, and then
Yes.
your name starts with an S.
S.
So it's like, yeah, okay. Yeah.
And Runjan is there.
Yeah, Runjan, I mean, of course, Runjan is,
Yeah.
doing the groundwork.
Yes,
in
she is
Jaipur,
doing
so
the
yeah.
groundwork. I honestly don't know anybody who has been doing anything alone. I don't know how they're doing it. I don't know how they do it. I really can't imagine doing any of it alone. I think Runjan and I have been friends for 8-9 years maybe now
Uh-huh.
or more, and it has been great. Like, it has worked out great for us. Initially when we started, we were also very scared, but I think just the ways of how we work and discuss and think is so aligned that it has worked out in our favor so far. Even working in different timelines,
I know, yeah.
has worked out in our favor, because it's basically like you will have one of us active
At some
almost
time.
like 18 hours a
Yes,
day, you know?
yes, yeah.
So even that has worked out in our favor. We obviously had to manage our timings and stuff.
Of course. Once you
Yeah.
get in the flow
Yeah.
of it, then it just becomes,
Yeah, but it has
initially,
been
yeah.
really, really good so far.
Okay,
I think
that's
it's
nice.
almost dreamy to have something like that with your friend and
Fantastic.
actually start something like that.
Yeah, I think
Uh,
I'm always a little scared to start stuff with my friends, because I'm like, what
If friendship,
But now it's kind of changed,
Yeah.
because now I know that it is my own self accountability and
Yeah.
responsibility to be like, this is how I perceive it.
Yes,
So if I
yes.
perceive it that, oh my God, it might go bad, then,
Yeah.
But if I perceive it like, yes, both of us are sitting on this rocket
Yeah.
ship that is launching, let's
Yeah,
go.
let's go, yes.
That's different.
I think that's what I think we stopped overthinking long time back when we were planning it. And I really, one thing that I should not, I do not hold any sort of like wisdom or whatever. But I think the one thing that I have took out of, because we've been working on it for almost 1.5 years now.
Sure.
is that I think it's really important to be a little delusional, you know, sometimes. Like, really, just think that whatever stupid thing that you're thinking,
Yes,
just
girl.
believe that it's going to happen and go with it. Like,
Yeah.
you know, whatever, however impossible and delusional it seems, just go with it. It will take you to places, is what I have took out of.
No, literally,
The
like
whole
I
experience.
like I'm doing the whole milk stuff, right? It
Yeah.
just started as a random whinge. Like I was
Yeah.
like, whatever. And now I have literally put on my bio saying
Yeah.
the milk queen because I'm like, yeah, I'm going to
You
own
are.
it.
Yes.
Because people are like, my sister's like, you're an Australian doodh wali. The milk brands are coming and leaving comments saying, oh, the milk queen. Oh, you're a milk connoisseur. And I was like, you know what? Fuck it, milk
Yes.
queen. There we go.
But it is so fun and interesting. You
It
know,
is
I think
delusional,
people,
right?
yeah, but
Yeah,
people
but-
are invested now and then. I invested in like, have you found the milk?
I have.
So it
but
is
there's still so many
amazing.
more independent dairies. I mean, I don't want to get into the details,
Yeah.
but yeah, it's an ongoing
Yes.
project, it looks
And
like.
someone like we have been trying to meet for so long. So I think I started following you in August, September last year.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah,
So we've been
yeah.
trying to meet for like 7-8 months now. And I absolutely love the recent reels that you are doing, and
Thank
it just
you.
feels so, I don't know, comfortable. I
Aw.
like feel so much like that we actually know you before I even got to meet you.
Thank you.
So congratulations on that, and it feels very warm.
Oh, that's really
Like,
sweet of
yeah,
you.
I'm
I
very
mean, this
warm and
time
comfortable.
my approach is like what you see there is what I am.
Yes.
Like,
no, I
there's
can.
no-
Yes, very
yeah.
true.
This is how I talk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is what it is.
Ah,
Yeah.
This is what it is.
No.
Because I was like, I mean, I used to feel like I was authentic earlier also. But I feel like there was still a large part of me that was operating from a place of lack and fear,
Yeah.
which I am not anymore for the most part.
Yeah.
Now I'm like, this is what it is, take it or leave it, it's fine. I mean, everyone, I feel now, especially
Yeah.
after moving here, that everyone wants to connect.
That's very true. Yeah.
That's why I want to meet you and I want to meet so many other people and they want to meet because, and I'm not just talking about Indians, I'm even talking about Australians.
Yeah. At any.
I feel like all of us want to feel connected to each other.
Have a sense of community.
Yes, which
Yes.
I feel is very lacking in our life.
That's very true. Yeah.
Because I have met a lot of Australians of all ages, and it always feels like, like everyone's lonely.
Yes.
So for me, it's now like, chalo, let's meet. Because for me, ultimately, the goal was always to, yes, put do whatever online, but also meet in person.
Meet in person.
And yeah, work with brands and all that. Yes, of course, make money and all. But at the end of the day, it's this.
Yeah.
I want to do this.
This thing, yes,
Yeah.
meet people.
Yeah.
I know. I totally understand. And I think even I'm somebody who, and I always say this, that someone who really thrives on having people around. And like, I'm really a people's person. I love having just everyone around me. I love hosting as well.
Oh, wow.
So I love just having like, if there's already 10 people coming and somebody is like, but can I have my friend? I'll be like, yeah, sure. Like,
Hello, I'm
whoever.
adding myself
Yeah,
to
yeah.
the list. You are hosting, where am I?
Definitely. And I'm really like, yeah, sure. Like whoever, whatever, like anyone can come. Like I'm really,
Aw.
so I really understand what you are saying. And I think we as Indians comes from a lot of noise around us.
Yeah.
And the good kind of chaos in that terms. So I think that's really something that we do see when we are here.
Honestly, when I moved here, I was like, yes, please, it is quiet. There are no people here.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I need a break. But I honestly spent most of the first year that I was here, like moping in my room and being depressed and like just didn't want to meet anyone.
Yeah.
I mean, I did meet people, but I wasn't really enthusiastic.
Yes.
That has shifted in
Yeah.
2026 for sure.
Yeah.
And
That's-
Jamie has helped quite a bit
Yeah.
with that.
Yeah.
And now it's like yesterday, literally, we were like, oh, we're going to Chai Sutta, come and meet us.
I saw the story.
Yeah, and I was like, what? Really? Jamie's like, yeah, let's just make the reel and post it. I was like, okay. And then Chai Sutta reposted
Yeah.
it.
And
you
I'm
know-
sure many people might have just walked to you.
No,
and-
no, we were sitting and eating and there
Yeah.
was music going on and we went and ate the vada pav as we always do. And then just when we were leaving, we met Ankita and I was like, oh my god, yes, hi, so nice to meet you. And then we chatted for about 10-15 minutes and
Yeah.
we'll meet again soon.
Yeah,
whatever.
and it's really good. It's just
is.
really just good to.
Because I was like, for me, I'm like, why will anybody come just because I've posted like come and meet? Like, what the heck? Jamie was like, just post it.
Yeah.
Whatever it is meant to be will be. And I was like, you know what? Fine, fuck it, let's
That's
do
such
it.
a good way to look at things. I think
Because for us it was like, हम तो जाके वड़ा पाव खाएंगे, चाय पिएंगे, we will do our chill thing and then we'll come back
Yeah.
home. Well, if there are people there, fantastic. We'd love to meet people.
yeah, and just have more people on the table, more
And like
conversation.
sit with us and eat with us or
Yeah.
whatever. Yeah. It was fun. And of course, the Chai Sutta people, it was nice to see them after a long time. And I do feel like the sense of community seems to be building. Like, I
Yes.
can feel that for sure.
Yes.
Not because I'm doing anything, but I generally feel that.
No,
Because
that's
people are like, oh, let's meet. I'm like, ha, chalo, let's meet. And not like a plan on a calendar saying, oh, you'll meet at this time. It's like, what are you doing now? Can I come over? Ha, cha,
I
cha.
love that. And I think that's something that I really miss here. Because you know how in India it's literally every day after your work or after your college and uni, you'll just be like
Ha.
hanging around
Yeah.
with no purpose. You'll just be calling your friends and you'll be like, oh, what are you doing? And there will be one spot,
I mean,
like the adda for
yeah,
you.
exactly.
And you'll just,
Yeah. My parents' time, they used to have landlines, but it was like you would just land up at someone's home at 2 a.m. and be like, feed me. And they'd be like, ha, okay, come, you've woken us up now. That was a different time.
Yeah.
I
So-
feel like things have like really changed.
Yes.
And here, especially.
It's very different.
Yeah.
In fact, like sometimes when I go back home and I talk about things like this to my mom, that what are you saying? We can't just like go. And she's like,
Oh, you need an
She-
appointment.
and she's like,
Oh.
my God, just come
Yeah.
back. Like you are in India right now. You're not in Australia. I'm like, yeah, sure. But yeah, that's something I really, really miss as well. Just like picking up the phone and just make spontaneous.
So I started doing that now.
yeah, that's
Even in India, I was like really bad. I would not take a call unless you fucking scheduled it with me. Because there it was like you're getting 50 calls a day.
yeah.
I said, I don't have time to respond just because you're calling me. So
Yeah.
I won't take your call. So tell me what you want to talk about, what time, then I will call. Here it's like, take a call me.
Yeah.
Because here, the volume of calls is barely
Yeah.
anything. So I'm like, it works here.
And you just have more time in general for just yourself. I think just the
No, I mean, I've had more time for myself all my life because I've never really had a job, for 22 years now.
Yeah.
So it's always, even in Delhi, it used to be like, let's go tomorrow.
Yeah.
Where are we going? Driving to the hills. That's it. Because the way I worked was always like
Yeah.
that. So
Yeah.
I did have a lot of time to myself, but I was very careful about how I allowed others to intervene. Because calls at 7 a.m. on a Sunday was very regular. Yeah.
Yeah.
India mein, can we do like a shoot? I'm like, hello, excuse me, what the fuck? So it was very like, no, schedule a call,
Yeah.
share your number with me. Otherwise, I don't take calls from unrecognized
Yeah.
numbers. And here it's like you get 2 calls in a day anyway. I'm like, please,
Sure,
hello,
yes.
hello.
I need human interaction.
Yeah.
No, that's
it's
very
been
true.
very interesting.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things that after coming here have brought it into my focus from back in India.
Yeah.
So it's, yeah.
No, I agree with you. I think even though my first year in Adelaide, I don't think it was amazing. I don't think it was great. I really thought of moving again. I really thought that I don't
Acha.
think that Adelaide is for me. I'm not sure. So now that if I meet anyone who has recently moved, I'm like, I think it really grows on you.
It
like
does.
at first like few years are definitely difficult. It's just because very different from
It's
what we
different,
come
that's
from.
all, yeah.
But I think then the lifestyle, there's just the calm, like nobody's rushing.
I mean, look at
everybody-
us. We've
yeah,
been
we
sitting
just
here for like 43 minutes.
Exactly.
No one's come and done anything.
Yeah.
It's like you mind
Yeah.
our business, we mind our business.
exactly.
Yeah.
So I think that really grows on you after a point. It's like-
amazing.
it is amazing.
It is amazing.
And then you don't realize, but you start liking it, adapting to it. So the thing that you said that now you feel more settled here, I completely relate with it. I think in the last 2 years, I've started feeling like, okay, Adelaide
Acha.
is home. Does feel like home. Even when I'm visiting India, I do have a feeling that, I have to like get back to actually
Another friend of mine was just saying that yesterday. She
Yeah.
was like, it's all good. Go there for a few days and then it's like, okay, chalo, let's go back now. Enough
Yeah.
with this. And I was like, that's interesting because I'm curious to see how
Yeah.
I will be once I do go back because I haven't gone back.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. But I'm looking forward to that.
Yes. I think it should soon for sure.
Whenever it aligns.
Yes.
No stress. Whenever
Yeah.
it happens, it happens.
Yeah.
Chale jayenge.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, honestly, when I landed here the first day, I was like, this is my place. I was like,
Okay.
I am home. Day one.
Wow.
From day one.
Yeah.
And it has gotten stronger since then.
Yes.
I mean, I had my own stuff to work through and for the first 1 year and whatever. But I was like, I'm not going back. That was pretty clear from
Yeah.
day one. And I had never been to Australia before that.
Okay.
I literally moved here.
Yeah.
That was my first time in Australia.
That's really good though. That's very
It was just like, yeah, this is my
Yeah.
place. Yeah. And honestly, everyone has been super nice.
yes.
Super,
People
super,
are
super, super nice.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, people say that, oh, but Australians are not as warm as Indians. And it's not the warmth thing. I think culturally people are very like, oh, this is my time,
Yeah.
it's my meal, like, you do
Yeah.
your thing.
And just
And India, it's the opposite. Like, bilkul ghus jate hain.
exactly.
Like,
Like there is
there
I
are
think
no
people
boundaries.
are warm. Yeah, there's no warmth. That's what I was going to say. That people are warm, but there's also a sense of boundaries for themselves and for the other people.
Yeah, people appreciate it.
Yeah, people appreciate it. And I think it's really good. People are very straightforward to what they feel like doing, what they don't feel like doing. So you are pretty sure that nobody is actually being pretentious in that sense. Like if they are saying yes, that
They mean it.
means they
Yes.
mean it and they are interested in what you are doing or what you are saying. Whereas in India, I think this is one thing that we are too much into social obligation.
Yes. Yes.
So we think
There
about
is just straightforward. They're like, oh my God, so rude.
yeah.
I'm like, it's not rude. I literally said,
Yeah.
thank you. Why is it rude?
Yeah. You can't say no to food. You
Ah.
can't say no to
And
anything.
I have been doing that since I was a kid. I've been very straightforward, even in India. And people used to be like, oh my God, she's so rude. Like, she doesn't have any manners. And I was like, what are you talking about? But I didn't realize how much I had absorbed it anyway till I got here.
Yeah.
Because I remembered initially people would offer me stuff and like, do you want to eat? I'd be like, no. And they'd be like, okay. And I'm like, no, but I want it. I'm like, oh my God.
Not
doing
used
what I
to
used
it,
do.
yeah.
Now it has changed, of course, because now I'm like, yes, I was doing this all my life.
Yes.
But yeah, it's pretty cool here. That's why when Robin gave me the car, like he just gave the car to me to drive, and I was like, I'm going to ask you once, are you sure? And he's like, yes. I'm like, thank you. Because I'm like, I don't want to
Yeah.
do like, no.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
And then he's not going to do like, please, of
he
course.
gets it. He works with a lot of Indians,
Oh,
so
okay.
he's like, I know how you guys talk. So yeah, but it's been very interesting. Up
Yeah.
to I mean, even earlier I was like, this is like home. So now I'm like, I'm not going.
Now
anywhere.
you're very sure and
I
spotted.
mean, I'd love to, like I said, have one foot there, one foot here.
Yeah.
And so many of my clients who become friends, or my friends in PR or other creator friends, etc., can still work together.
Yeah.
Now it's like, chalo, let's do a podcast,
Yeah.
whatever. So that, yes, I would love to do that. And maybe when it's peak winters here, go to India. Summers there, I love
Yeah.
Indian summers.
Really?
Go chill there.
I don't think I love too much of summers anyway.
Because it's like you go to Jaisalmer, that's 60 degree heat.
My
you're in
God,
the
then I
pool,
know.
and it's like,
What? You'll have to be like roasted or something? Oh my God, I just
you're
can't
also-
imagine.
I am so brown. I burnt myself in the sun.
We're brown
I'm
anyway.
not. No, I'm usually not as brown. I'm so brown right now. But yeah, I like Indian summers. I mean,
Okay.
I don't do too well with winter, so I prefer
Just
summers
the
anyway.
sentence that you said that Jaisalmer 60 degree, it just made me feel like oh my God, it's like I could
like
just feel the
toasty.
thing on my skin burning.
Oh, it's different. I mean, it's
Yeah.
a different feeling. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I prefer summers over winter any day.
Okay.
Because I don't like winters. I'm like, oh my God, too many layers, and I want to be naked on the beach. So I'm like, please, ye sab nahi chalega.
I like summers until it's like 35 degrees.
Yes, I went to the beach on a 38 day when it was cloudy, and I was like, oh, this is great.
Yeah.
And I knew that the sun would still burn you, but I was like, it's not that bad, and I totally toasted myself. But it was nice, though. I like it. I love the beaches. And
I love
all. Yeah,
beaches
India
as
mein
well.
to-
And
yeah.
just the access to it. Like it's just
you just get off
so-
your car, you just walk into it, and
yes.
there it is.
And I think a lot of people have told me this that this is also more in the smaller cities like Adelaide, Sydney and Melbourne do not.
They are so busy.
Yeah, do not have that.
Have you traveled to Sydney and Melbourne?
I've been to Melbourne.
Acha.
I haven't been to Sydney.
Yeah.
But even in Melbourne, I don't think I went to any beaches or stuff. It was just the city.
City.
Yeah.
I got to shoot Fashion Week there, and
wow.
the flight landed,
Yeah.
and the Uber picked me up from the airport at like 1.
Yeah.
And I had to go into the city to pick up keys
Yeah.
for my friend's place because I was staying there. And he's driving into the city, and I'm just like, what is going on? Because everyone's on the street.
Yeah.
There's so many people around, and I was like, there's this electric energy.
Yeah.
Which I was like, yeah, I've done enough in Delhi and Bombay. I don't want any more of this. After 1 week, I
Being
was
in
like,
Adelaide,
bye-bye.
even Melbourne feels so.
It is.
Yeah, like well,
That's why I said Adelaide is perfect.
perfect. Yeah.
Perfect. And I also feel like this is the right time for people like you or me to start a foundation in Adelaide.
That's very true.
Because I
it's
feel like
still-
it is taking off and how.
Yeah.
I was just
Yeah.
speaking to someone a few months ago, not a few months ago, just a month ago, and they work in the social media, digital marketing space, and they were like, 39 digital marketing agencies have opened offices in Adelaide in the last 3 months.
What?
Yeah.
3 months?
Yes.
I was, when you said 3, I was hoping maybe 3 years or something.
And I
But
was
3
like,
months?
What?
Whoa, okay.
So I was like, yeah, this basically just confirms what I already kind of knew. So we have shifted position because it was far too hot there, and also
you can look at Naina's very cool outfit. It actually looks so cool.
I know,
Yeah,
and it goes
like
with,
you're
like, the
ready with
jeans and,
the
like,
street style.
I know, right?
Such a
Especially if I
complete style.
also wear like really thin like jeans and wear my leather boots and just keep on loose. This will be like
yeah.
a hat. And,
Oh, wow, then.
Yeah, my sister has made me into a styling
I'll
genius.
send it to you again and you can do a styling series.
Done.
Yeah.
Why not? Bilkul. I used to do so much in India.
Yeah.
Made in India. I had a whole made in India hashtag.
Oh.
I have done more than 100 posts
Wow.
wearing
Yeah.
a lot of
Just
brands
like-
and just
Pieces from brands or just locally sourced?
no
stuff?
pieces from brands, all
Okay.
handmade Indian local
Yeah.
brands, like homegrown brands.
Yes.
No, I have done. My God, it's all there on the blog.
Yes.
22 years of stuff, man.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll send you a few links. I'm
Yes.
sure.
And the brands that you might have come across.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
That you think are amazing. And you could be like,
And especially
"Sandhya,
when
this
I-
needs to be in
when I started
Australia."
doing that for brands, and they were like, "You've probably never even heard of them," and now they're like, "What is
Yeah.
happening? Huge, man! They're huge
Yeah.
now." So yeah, of course, I'll send you.
Yes.
For sure.
Any brand that you should feel like, oh, this should be.
Cool. So you are open to people reaching out to you?
Yes,
and, like,
of course.
How should they reach out to you? Satya and Sage Insta
we
page?
do have our email, and the email is available
on your
on the
Instagram
Instagram,
bio. What's the
yes.
Instagram page again? I'll share it there, but I
yes,
just want to know.
It's just Satwa and Sage _.
Okay.
Yes.
Satwa and Sage
Sage
underscore.
Underscore. Yes. Got it. So,
SATTVAANDSAGE underscore.
correct.
Sweet.
Correct.
Because not, yeah, I mean, not everyone's going to see everything. So if
Yes.
they're hearing it, then at least
Yeah,
they can go
yeah,
and look
yeah.
for it.
So,
Sweet.
yeah, people can reach out on the DMs, like the brands. They can reach out
Sure.
on the email.
Of
you know,
course.
however they feel comfortable.
Cool.
And a very exciting thing is that we are finally starting with participating in the markets from April.
Oh,
So we're doing our
nice.
first market on the 26th of April
Okay.
with Gathered SA. So it's gonna be in London.
Okay.
So
cool.
very much there for everyone to just
Sweet.
come and say hi, come and see
Very
and feel
nice.
the products. So really looking forward to that.
Done. Yeah. I'll
and
be there
yes.
for sure. Yeah. I'm sure you guys will announce it also, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
we will. We
cool.
will.
Okay.
But I just wanted to say it everywhere that I can.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course. 26th of April. you said,
26th
right?
of
Gathered
April.
SA London. Cool.
Yes.
Done.
So
Brilliant.
that's going to be our first participation in the market.
Amazing.
So hopefully, it's very excited to just interact with people and
Of
just
course,
talk more
yeah,
about it and
yeah.
introduce it to more people.
But that's how
Uh,
everyone does that, right? You go
yeah,
to all these
yeah.
markets and you see how
Yeah.
it goes from
And I
there.
think that's what when we were reaching out to the brands, and this is obviously we are very young, still starting up. So, and the people that we were reaching out to were these founders of already kind of established brands.
Yeah.
So they had so many questions and doubts and everything. So, any brand as well just watching this is, I think, our way and our vision of bringing the brands is not just having them listed on Satwa and Sage, but also just talking about their brand and their founders and like introducing,
course.
putting their story at front as much as we can. Even if you go on the website, if
Yeah,
you
you've
visit,
been doing that already. I've been seeing
yeah.
that
If you
on your
visit
page,
on
yeah.
any specific brand page, it will say where the brand is from. Even on Instagram, we have introduced every brand, individually. What
Yes,
we are doing
you have.
extra,
Yeah.
we are participating in all of those markets and everything. So, this homegrown brands do not have the access and resources to actually, like, they are shipping worldwide,
Yes.
but they don't have the resources to be physically there.
Yeah, I mean,
And-
their marketing is essentially limited to the website or
Yes.
their Instagram page.
Yes.
And yes, sure, there are people from all over the world
Yeah.
who will see that.
Yeah.
But Adelaide, not everyone is online.
That's what the thing. That's what I think. Every brand that we were talking to, and I was like, see, I've been in Australia for 4 years, and the people here are not that digitally
Not at
advanced
all.
or engaged
Yeah.
as we are in India. Like in India, I think you will not even hesitate to order from an Instagram page if you like
Not at all,
something. you know?
yeah.
You'll be like, yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's
but
very different here.
Yeah, people will. Online shopping is not still. I think I have a hair in my eye. Sorry.
No, that's
Online
okay.
shopping
I mean,
is
it'll get
still
there, but it's not there
Yeah,
yet. I mean,
yeah.
a lot of, I think most people here use Facebook a lot.
a lot.
That's it.
That's so.
That is
fine.
it. That's why I keep saying it
Yeah.
reminds me of Delhi from 15 years ago in some aspects, the
Yes.
social media aspect
Yes.
especially.
And even with, I think, online shopping, if people have an option, they will a lot of time go with click and collect because they still want to go and see it, and so yeah.
I didn't think about that
Yeah.
actually. Yeah.
So this is one thing that we try to like explain it to them, that we understand that you ship worldwide, but then like you do not have the, and it's sad that you do not have the resources because you're doing so amazing. I'll be like,
Yeah.
just every brand that we talk to, we were so excited to just see their work.
Oh yeah, great stuff.
So like we really want to bring you, like here because we really see the potential, and we are really
Sure.
happy to be that platform for you to give your story a platform and give your products a platform.
Yeah.
So I think that's what few things that we are doing for the brands as a platform, that we will be actively just participating in the markets. We will be doing the very Australian-based shoots and reels, Instagram and marketing and everything like that.
Yeah, if you want to do any crazy stuff, please, I'm here.
Of course. I know. So, yeah, that's just few things, and we're really excited. We're just,
I'm just excited to see all the more color you're going to be adding to them. Like, that also, that's what I want.
there are
Yes,
that's very true. And everything is like, so,
say it.
just, I don't know, like, trendy, TikTok inspired only. Like if you go, you'll probably see everybody wear a same kind of top or something. And when people talk about custom stuff here, I just don't mean to be again flexing anything or whatever, but we have literally grown up with custom stuff.
Yeah, these guys have- yeah.
It was like
They have
with
no
the,
idea what
Yeah,
custom
it was with the
Like, can you imagine like hand woven, hand
Yeah.
embroidered buttons are made of what? Coconut? This looks like coconut.
yeah,
isn't
I
it?
think it's some sort of wood. I'm not sure exactly.
Yeah,
which one,
and it's like that's what, and this is
Yeah.
like you can pick it up in
Yeah.
so many places in India.
And I think still, I think Indians even, I think we moved to these mass production big companies after we were ruled and everything.
Sure,
But
no, but
wait,
there's so much of it that has come back,
Yeah.
and people have
started valuing things again.
Yes.
Started understanding the true meaning of luxury again, which was always about handmade craft.
Yeah, I did.
like and we are still like, we have grown up with things like actually picking up our own fabrics.
Yeah, same.
Yeah,
My mom
finding
used
out.
to be, she used to go to shops and be like, not this
Yeah.
one, this is fun.
This-
No, not this
yeah.
one. This one's that.
Yeah.
I used to, kid, I used to be like, ooh, like what is all
Yeah,
this?
and like boutiques are everywhere,
Everywhere.
every street. Everything is so much more easily customizable. So it's not a fashion to us. It's not a trend to us. It's like something really.
yeah, and then we wear stuff
grown
for
up
like
with.
years.
Yeah.
Like we keep our clothes for years. That's
Yeah.
why we have like heirlooms and stuff.
Yeah.
Here, I feel like the culture is more like just like wear and throw, like Shein and Temu, and I'm just
I
like,
am
ooh.
so. I think years and years ago, like 10 years ago, 7, 8 years ago, whatever. I'm not sure if I'm being right with the timeline, but I'm very proud to say I've never shopped from Shein. And I think I made a very conscious decision of never shopping from Shein. Because I just like these, just the basic things that you can try doing is like, at least like, so I've never shopped from Shein. I never felt like this is what I need
Sure.
with me.
I
you
don't
know?
think I've ever even been to the Shein website, to be honest.
I have been to the Shein website, I
Okay.
will not lie, but I have never shopped from Shein. So that's a very
Interesting.
proud thing that.
Here, I feel like that's part of the culture.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I also feel like Australia, as far as I know, there really aren't a lot of brands that have been around for a long time. Like
Yes.
one of the brands that I know of is RM Williams, and they've been
Yeah.
making those
Yeah.
shoes for like ages.
Yeah.
You know?
Leather stuff is great here.
Yeah.
Like it's amazing.
But like same
Yeah.
with like textile. I remember
Yeah.
the first time because I didn't know about any other stores, and
Yeah.
Kmart was like, yeah, go to Kmart and shop for bed stuff if you wanted. And I
Yeah.
needed a bed sheet, and I went into Kmart, and I'm like, I was like, yeah, this looks good. I picked it up, and I'm walking by, like, let me just check the label.
Yeah.
90% polyester. I'm like, who the fuck sleeps in polyester?
Exactly.
It's like, oh my god. So I was like,
Yeah.
maybe I just picked up like the wrong section. and
Yeah.
Everything was polyester.
Yeah.
There was one section in the end which said 100% Australian cotton. And then I was like, acha, theek hai. And I bought it. And
Yeah.
it just feels different. Like,
But
I know
Australian
it's,
cotton is really good though. Like it's
It
one of
is.
the finest cotton.
it does.
Yeah, yeah,
but
yeah.
it feels different from Indian cotton.
Oh,
also,
yeah,
I mean, the
definitely.
way in India, when you say 100% cotton, that it's processed in so many ways.
Yeah.
So for me, it was like, oh, there's only one option here.
Yeah.
And then I ended up picking up something which was bamboo linen. That
Yeah.
was a cover for my duvet and
Yeah.
my pillow covers and stuff
Yeah.
like that. But I was really surprised that,
Yeah.
you know, it was like polyester. Shocked to see that.
Shocked to see that.
But it's theek hai, I said,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, so the cultural stuff has
That's
been
very
interesting.
True. Yeah, there's just a lot of things. And I think even with, like we were talking about heirlooms, like
Yeah.
even with any of the sari or whatever, like it doesn't go to waste. Even if like a part of it is torn, it will be repurposed into a
Something or the
dress,
other,
into a
yeah.
new, you know,
Like,
like
my mum used to make patchwork quilts when we
Yeah,
were kids because
yeah.
she'd be like, oh, these are nice pieces. She
and
would
it's,
keep
it's
them.
all over.
And then one day we'd come back
Yeah.
to school, it'd be like, what is this?
And it's trending now. Like patchwork
Yeah.
is so much
She
in.
made bags for us
Yeah,
with that.
yeah.
It was pretty epic.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, culturally, that way, Indian textile heritage is
Just-
nuts.
yeah,
Sorry,
it is.
that's my vocabulary is limited, but it is.
It is.
Compared
It
to
is
here
crazy.
too, especially.
Yeah. And it's like, and with, I think with Satwa and Seth as well, we don't mean to put anything above anything.
No, it's
But
not
it's just
above. It's just different.
Something just honestly sharing, you know, like it's just
Yeah.
sharing more of
No, like I
everything
said,
that we have
it's
grown
just
up with.
different. The
Yeah.
culture here is different. That's
Different.
all. It
Yeah.
doesn't mean it's bad
Yeah.
or somehow
Yeah.
lower or whatever.
Exactly.
It's just different. you
Yeah.
know?
So it's
I mean,
no
Australia has been through like droughts. There have been so many periods of depression.
true.
So people have become conservative in that sense.
Yeah.
So whereas in India, again, depends where in India
Where
you
in
go. Things can be very different.
Yes,
so,
very
yeah.
true.
No, I mean, at least I'm not seeing it that way that you're saying something
Yeah,
better.
no,
or
I
not. It's just
do not want anyone to think in that way, and
people will think whatever they will
They
think
want-
anyway.
but yeah, it's just like us just coming and sharing everything that is. I'm also very like nostalgic person, you know. Like
Same.
I think people live in past or present or whatever. I live in nostalgia.
Nostalgia
My
land.
constant state is being in nostalgia. Like, so I think it's everything that I talk about whenever I talk about really comes from a little bit, oh yeah, this is how it used to be, this is what we do, this is that, and yeah, so I
Yeah.
just sometimes have to feel like, oh, hold back.
Same.
Yeah.
That's why going back to the whole Malay thing, a lot of people leave comments saying that why do you do all this? Why don't you just buy
Buy
clothes?
it.
I'm like, I'm looking for that experience.
Yeah.
That nostalgic
And still
experience.
not the same thing,
Yeah.
actually. You
Yeah.
know? Yeah.
Yeah, no, but with that one milk it is, yes. I'm not going to go buy cream now. I'm not making anything like manufacturing or I
Yeah.
don't have 10 people in my family.
Yeah.
I'm essentially just doing it either for myself and maybe Jamie sometimes.
Yeah.
So I'm like, fine. I need,
Yeah.
you know, that malai, whatever I get from 2 liters is going to last me like 2 days.
Yeah.
So it's like, cool.
Yeah.
That's why I want to take out malai on my own, please. I don't want to buy your cream. Thank you very
We
much.
love your Malay series. Because like I said, like it is amazing. So
my
good to
gosh.
see. I'm so happy that you have found your thing.
Found my niche.
Yeah,
the Malai
found your
milk
niche.
Oh,
Found your
God.
right kind of milk. I'm sure. And then I think, what was the company again?
Flurry milk.
Flurry
company.
Milk. They should reach out to you. Next.
Yes, please.
Yes.
Sponsor milk for a year for me. I'm
Yes,
happy
they
to
should
collaborate.
reach out to you.
No, all the
They should
local
know.
dairies. I'm so happy to come and
Yeah.
even look at the dairies
Yes.
and go behind the
Yes.
scenes. And
Yeah.
I'm fascinated by all that stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really epic for people
Yeah.
to actually see where the milk comes from. That's so cool.
Yeah. I think farmers market here in general are so interesting and so
Oh, they're glorious.
Yeah,
Absolutely
yeah.
glorious.
It's so
Yeah,
good.
true.
Just walk around it and it's just so good to
No, I
see
really
it.
like your energy. You're very sorted.
Thank you.
And you also have a lot of, the way you talk about Indian textiles or Jaipur, I can tell that you kind of feel it from within yourself. And I also feel that you are very good at business.
I hope that turns out to be true.
I
I really hope.
I get a sense of that. So I'm looking forward
Yeah.
to seeing you guys do really well.
I'm very excited as well. And going back to like how you said that initially when before doing all your recent reels, you were scared and there was still some fear in you. And when you were saying like this is, I don't think I'm a very active person on social media. Like I will overshare for a time period and then I'll completely disappear. Okay. And I'm very chatty in person, but then I'm always very scared of how much I want to put myself off. And it's has nothing to do with how it will be perceived, but more like how much I want to share of myself.
Self-judgment, essentially.
Yeah. So that coming from you definitely made me feel much more
Oh, yeah,
at
yeah.
ease.
That's why I talk about it.
Yeah.
Because been there, done
Yeah.
that,
And this, like, in fact, as a founder of something that has
not been out there yet and just has started
Yeah.
to get this opportunity. I don't think how many people who have just launched gets an opportunity to do a podcast for.
No, I'm happy
whole
to
thing.
have. Like, I love talking to
Yes,
people. I want
yes.
to know personal journeys. I want to know people's stories.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I have listened to Joe Rogan is
Yeah.
his podcast is my inspiration.
Okay.
And the kind of people I've listened to on his podcast. And there have been times for me, I would say there were breakthrough moments where I was like, oh, I didn't think of it
Think
like
of
that.
that,
Or
yeah.
I had a perception of someone to be a certain way, but when they sat with him for 3 hours and had a conversation, I was like, oh my God, this is like a really cool person.
Yeah.
You know? So
Yeah.
I want that.
Yes.
And honestly, for me, the biggest advantage is that I get to meet people in person and talk to them.
Yes.
Even if we are doing like the last one I did with Gayatri, she's in Melbourne.
Yeah.
But sitting and talking to each other. If I do a video call with you, would you
Yeah.
talk to me for an hour? I don't think so.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, you do a podcast, you sit, you chat
Yes.
with each other, get to know each other, and then suddenly it's like, wait, we know so many common people, we
Yeah.
have common friends, and
Yeah.
it's beautiful.
Yeah. But that's also
my-
your energy, is what I have
I
to
mean,
say.
yeah,
You
I
know,
get
I
it.
was very nervous before we started.
But like I
That's
said,
also- yeah.
for me, it's like,
Yeah.
yeah, it's a conversation.
Yes.
And
yes.
again, this is our thing. You want me to stop, pause at any minute? It's
yeah.
totally our thing. No issues at all.
No, it's really been amazing, and I'm really looking forward to. And like you said, that I sound very passionate about it. I think both Runjan and I, for us, the whole thing is not just. It is obviously at the end of it, it's a business. It has
Of
to make
course,
money, but
yes.
it does come from a very personal feeling of just representation, and just I think we just feel so proud to have what we have, grown up with in India. Like so much,
Yes.
so much of heritage.
Nice.
So that's just, yeah, I'm not gonna be scared to say it, but I'm really very proud of it, and we're both just happy that we are able to at least try doing something that can contribute to the
You're
right
doing
kind
it.
of storytelling.
You're already doing it.
So yes, very excited to see where it goes. Very
Me too.
yes.
Very excited. We'll be watching very closely. And of course, we're going to stay in
Yes,
touch.
and you have been a great supporter since day one,
Aw,
though. Yeah,
I've
so
done
thank you so
nothing
much.
actually, but yeah. Yeah, no, happy to support. Yeah, anything at any time, just reach out and let's do something.
Thank you.
Yeah, and that's
you.
not
Yeah.
just for Saundarya, it's for everyone. Just hit me up, seriously. Like,
Yes.
let's just do something.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I think you will feel comfortable everything because that's how she is. So don't be bothered about anything. I didn't really expect it to go so
Oh, you're so
in such a cool
cute.
way. So
Oh my
I'm really
God.
happy with it. Yes. So thank
Cool.
you.
Chalo. Shall we wrap
yes.
up then?
Yes. And I just want to just invite everyone to come see us on 26th of April
Yes.
in Rundle at Gathered, and hope to see a lot of people there. Just come say hi. Just come.
Yeah, just come take a selfie, post it
take
on
a
your Instagram
selfie,
stories,
yes,
tag them.
explore the
Yeah.
products, take your time, just know more about us. So really looking forward to just chat with everyone and meet everyone.
Definitely.
Yes,
I'm definitely
yes.
going to be there for sure because I want to see more of what you've got.
Yes, yes,
All right, cool.
definitely.
Thank